Hi everyone, back with another short video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I normally propagate this pilea peperomioides and what I normally do with the baby Chinese money plant. So first, what you're gonna do, just have like a mother plant like this, not when you bought from the store. Don't propagate straight away. So let them get used to the new environment first, and I would recommend after a couple of months, when it starts growing a lot of new babies. I'll show you up close. So I don't know if you can see in here, you got plenty of new babies. There's about two main big ones. I'm not gonna take those out. I'm just gonna take the little ones out. You'll see in a second how I do it. So you wanna be careful. Just leave any of the leaves that's like droop on top of it, and then go slowly. But before you do these, make sure you water your plant first. That way it will be easier for you to take out, or the soil will be a little softer for you to. So just dig your finger in there. Just follow the common sense, pretty much. Just follow the little how do I call this? Like trunk that going straight to the mother plant. So you want to get something like this. It has a little roots with it, like that. Although it break at the bottom, but don't worry about it, because around it there's some roots, so it will survive. So I'll take two of them. I've got soil prep here already. So I'll just dig a hole with my index finger, put it in there. I don't normally press it too hard, so just let them find a way and adjust to the pot, I'd say. And I found one more here, that one. So I'll do the same. I'll just put I normally use my index finger to just dig a little hole, and then maybe I can show you the camera. So, excuse me. So this is the one I wanted to take out. That's the one. So what we're gonna do is, oops, I just snap it, hopefully. Yeah. It's still got little roots in there. Sorry, let me just bring it. So if this happened to you, don't you worry too much, because it's gonna survive in the soil. Yeah, nature normally will solve that out for you. So I'm going to go back to this. All right. So that was the one that we were accidentally kind of snap it from the mother plants to Ellie. So I'm gonna do the same. Just take a little hole and put it in there like that, just like that. And there you have it. So the little twins. So that's what I normally do, but I only propagate. I only take about like 1 or 2 baby plants from the mother plant about once a month, or not even once a month, sometimes once a week. I will see how this one grow first. If they're growing well, developing new roots, or at least I can see new shoots, then I will propagate a new one. I just don't want to keep propagating, and then I'll neglect the old ones. So that's the reason why. So you guys see how easy it takes to propagate the pilea peperomioides. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.